Question 1. The ratio of chocolates to sweets in box A was 3:1. The ratio of chocolates to sweets in box B was 2:3. Given that the number of chocolates in both boxes was equal, find the ratio of the number of sweets in box A to the number of sweets in box B. So let's write out our ratios. For box A, we know that the ratio of chocolates to sweets is equals to 3:1. And for box B, we know that the ratio of chocolates to sweets is equals to 2:3. And the question states that the number of chocolates in both boxes was equal. So between 3 and 2, the lowest common multiple is 6. So we have to find a way to make both sides 6. So how do we get 6 from 3? We multiply it by 2. So we do the same for the right-hand side. 1 times 2 gives us 2. And as for the rate ratio, to get 6 from 2, we need to multiply it by 3. So we do the same for the right-hand side, and we get 9. So now that the ratios have been modified and the common variable, which is chocolates, both have 6 units for box A and box B, we can compare the sweet variables. So we can answer question A, which wants to find out the ratio of the number of sweets in box A to the number of sweets in box B. And this would be 2:9. So that is your answer for part A. Now for part B, if 4 chocolates were taken out of box A and put into box B, the ratio of the number of chocolates to the number of sweets in box B will become 7:9. So find the number of sweets in box B. So we know that chocolates were added into box B, but nothing was done to the sweets. So we realize our common variable over here, our identical variable over here is actually the number of sweets. So our old ratio, so at first, we know that the ratio of chocolates to sweets in box B is equals to 6:9. And we know that in the end, the ratio is 7:9. So remember that our identical variable is the number of sweets. And over here, we realize that they are both at 9. So we can immediately compare the number of units at first and in the end for chocolates. And the question states that there were 4 chocolates added into box B. So we can tell that 7 unit minus 6 unit, which is equals to 1 unit. 1 unit represents 4. So the question wants us to find the number of sweets in box B. So number of sweets in box B would be 9 units. So 9 units is equals to 9 times 4, which gives us 36. So that is your final answer for question 1.